10 things that happen to your body if you walk every day. Walking is a great exercise and it is recommended to walk at least 15 to 30 minutes a day. But how exactly does walking affect our bodies? Why is it important to include it in our everyday lives? Number 1. Healthier brain, healthier mind. One study has shown that walking provides plenty of benefits to our brains. When you walk, the levels of endorphins increase, thus significantly reducing the stress levels. It also supports the overall brain health and can even reduce the risk of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Better vision. It might seem unusual, but walking can even improve your vision. It works by releasing the eye pressure and reducing glaucoma. Number 3. Healthy heart. According to the American Heart Association, walking is as beneficial for the heart as running. It can help reduce the risk of heart-related diseases. Walking stabilizes the blood pressure, reduces cholesterol levels and improves blood circulation. Number 4. Increased lung volume. When you walk, your lungs get more oxygen, which then get distributed throughout your entire body. Besides removing toxins, walking can improve the lung function, thus preventing respiratory diseases. Number 5. Healthier pancreas. Regular walks can help maintain healthy glucose levels. It is even more efficient in preventing diabetes than running. People who walk regularly have healthier blood sugar levels than those who run. Number 6. Improved digestion. By walking 30 minutes a day could not only lower the risk of colon cancer, but also improve our digestion and can relieve constipation and flatulence. Number 7. Leaner muscles. When you lose body fat, your muscles become more prominent and leaner. You can achieve this by walking 10,000 steps a day. If you want to add some intensity to your walks, try walking uphill or add on interval in between. This can increase the muscle tone in various parts of your body. Also, walking is not a rigorous exercise for the body, so you will not experience soreness or wait for your muscle to heal before you continue walking. Number 8. Strong bones and joints. The Arthritis Foundation recommends walking for a healthier body. Painful and stiff joints will be relieved by walking 30 minutes a day. It will also not cause additional damage or pain and can prevent bone loss. Number 9. Reduced back pain. High impact exercises can harm the back but not walking. It is a low impact exercise that actually relieves back pain by promoting blood flow to the spinal area and improving posture and flexibility of the back muscles. Number 10. Balanced mind. If you experience mood disorders, walking can help you lighten up. Walking with someone is even more helpful. Regular walks can reduce stress, depression and anxiety levels.